Because me and one MPP on right say yaw. Obeka yachi won't me. Yeah, no money son because of criticizing your mind and I say if you are saying to me a plea bargain.
Minia, Mamma was saying, I'm a Wakwaba, Akwatia Mp, I have friend say Bernard Bediako Baidoo, Odin Komubi Ediafa NPP political party no ehun. Na wasi so hwe NPP party no din and then say so maybe o modern no ono wadwen ho a wonti ase. Edi basem na asi. Saturday na yinyandete say Akufo-Addo munsa Afrem Melakos Dennis Abuaji. Omukokra ekoche no ewo Accra International Airport. Inti yenra na Melakos odaso ewo omo akache. We na NPP for anti wo ho ase omko gu Akufo edan no enuma na omo chanti say they should release Melakos Abuaji immediately. We na Bernard Bediako Baidoo awoye Akwatia Mp o chile na adwen say suban na NPP for edan edi no enye because ebi asipen Akufo efre chairman wuntumi ema honorable Afenyo Markins ne na bi mu ekukugu Akufo dan enuma na omo chanti say omo enyai chairman wuntumi, but one of his cases in tia Akufo eto omunsa ede friend no ekoko wi ase no na chama wuntumi esre say sa sika no na say eka na ewo ho no yema no entuase na ebe ya obeya avoid jail eno na ye friend say pre bagin no na anka de si ye ewo wuntumi afa no anka NPP for so mo hwe sa ade no so no mo de esunya bidibi efrim se na ebe ya se ye kwachi wo bi ebe ma mara no eni nipa no edi na se nipa no se onye boni bia but almost ye beja no as wo di boni so no one is above the laws of the land. But we hear and knows by NPP for koda ne di ewo Akufo akache ho na kire se entwe yi nti wono no de o2 NPP for efo say assembly asia there are rules and regulations governing this country and obi biala no ho so betumi de mra ahye ne nsam nti se Akufo susu se obi ayamfumsuo bi obaabi na se omukokofa na eya party members no munya botre na mra no eni nipa no eni na se nipa no nyamfumsuo bi a by all means the person will be released. Ba mbe kwa kugu enimu ho na mo ye dede na mo ye se ba sa na Ghana mra no na MPP for edidi agro na se omo 88 aso nti wono no de ono omo enya adwen ba kumpu nti wa kire na adwen ewo asempa FM omo program so ono obi eni Mr. Kofi Tonto na omo atwetwen sa nkomo no yenkure nkotie ensem a Bernard Bediako Baidoo okaye edi kire NPP amanyuku no nti minia yebe kwa ko he video no na answer na yebe ko no Best say unya and subscribe ya na wa subscribe e dia ma like video wi na shema wuri bi no nso unya bi enhwe nyankopon hira na onka ho ye video no na yekoba ye beto aso mi da wase
akontabuo no ewuma ahoro bebre it includes say police and law enforcement agencies ebe hwehwem no maybe sound say and on that basis no you are miracles omro say yebe freno anasi yebe cheno ebisa no nsem but the cheno war constitution ni yemra mu nia ne ade no it must conform to nipa no I mean yen laws are wo Ghana and no me at the moment no me we ya me dem me nkwasem nim ne wa ya na yese ne onye ye wo be comment ni said you don't know what law enforcement agencies need to crack o man so otimase it is aka what they know it is kasare de wo be keka na onye hwe be wo de oka okuwia na okofie because omoni wonye argument I am sure and that is what I thought say at the moment no it is about why fa so che no and am wo issues wo me de sa na mete ase but the yes onye body because we doing as onye body. It doesn't lie in your power at all because why boni and onye pa. It doesn't also lie with me. It may mean kanda say miracles you're guilty and onye guilty. But at the end here ya che no. You betimi aka ho asem say ade we na law enforcement officers na ka say why. If you never che. Because me anya no one MPP on right say ya o. Obeka ya chi wuntumi. Yeah, no money son because of criticizing your mind and I say if you are say wuntumi na plea bargain. And let nobody kid you. Lawyer be of a catcher or say, plea bargain, chess or a guilty no nim law. Go and read section 162H of the amendment to the Criminal Offences Act. Yes. So you are convict. Jail na umpe. Ntupe so years canon. But the plea bargain be are guilty. In fact, the law says that also pleading guilty as a judge no crowd was. So Martis and go and read the act. So it's not true. It will cast a plea bargain and just all you're guilty. because the plea bargain ebe far custodial sentence and a free ho say won pay custodial sentence and because a bra ya convicted no and a plea bargain setting. That is what it's supposed to be because no be a section under bra ya convicted and ye de share ho. So let nobody deceive you say Mexican na me go to ya na me guilty. It's not true. There are procedures. In fact, your answer on best starting judge and crab or be more pleading guilty. So because on your guilty or better to us. You pleaded guilty, we are. Now she say on your attorney general, you know. Now we are here, and then you me. So you're guilty. Let's go through the trial. And I want to be and now because of criticizing or plea bargain. So yeah, into your was me or mine. There is no way in this in Nibi ever cast you me asempa no aka no obia no obetumi aka so nimme chen me amete yi so masama america na good eti ye individual so bia woni am ehye no me nkasa waye bibi obia woni secret menyi ni sasa me ye bibi amekwa akofrend this party no mpanyfo ni ase ade abcd na mpese me eti niam abase ya eya ye nto ye boase.
It doesn't matter how you hunipa
at all
ni bibia no bebo am
o my mu ha kra wo ni producer kra nya bibia na ani mfa ne ho nya bibia so no nso ni mfa ho enti nsem base ya ye nto ye boase ye nua me a young man enya me de say ofa we mu so ati ase enti no ma kire say me ti o ma se but the ya ye nya measured e kwa e fa so che no you go for the statement but let's interrogate the statement o my
if you go
no and o my meaning say and yet press release behind your sign. It's not a requirement.
On sensitive ones like this.
Well, you may say so, but they've not disputed. It is coming from them. You also once on my dress,
especially times like this, I catch you say one year careful.
If you, I can tell you on authority. Well, let's
so now we are being that
if we so
necessarily doing wrong.
You see, we need to be
Okasa.
Attorney General control the president versus the Asubesi. When
you do that, you are encouraging that we should do that.
Spelling mistake. Then it's N no yeah 1 N and no issue. An attorney general, I know a president, the president versus.
And I'm saying
when one vetting in mind to Article 125 that justice emanates from the people and it's been administered on behalf of the people by the judiciary.
Oh,
you see, it's in your mind to be as some case and that one. Would this year and the more
but drawing your attention also means here because that's where
no, I don't issue.
No, do you know normal to you?
And no. There be on my no point any din you know heading no but throughout they got it right.
All right.
It's a typo. I mean my lord or the saying any free has his friend any free omunim sa na me etimi si ebi okra wo type no in etimi basa o man asem we wo ho ne say omoche Yira miracles on his way in. In fact, we were all worried saying baby no can nipa ni gane a what am I say ebi okwa and I be say no ye ma onko but so bad ya senka waba but omachire bibi na am say ye kind statement na ya na ye ja ho no free because me so na be concern kakra you omochire ne say there was a development omonka do we omonka because they have to be tactical. Statement you releasing such a sensitive agency. Omo ni ombe kan ni omonka. Na development no. And the man omo yes ombe no this week. Now since omo che no matin komo bi say nti omo che no between emsena Yira Kudua na kan fi and then ansa no ne nra no then omaye because I mean essentially saying say it wasn't necessary. But you quite responded. Say omonsa so ni mu no. Omni na kwa your friend is saying inspection bi. What kind? Omni na kwa inspection tinya so omada. In PMP men kasa sa na te ba law enforcement agencies person omokoye sa de na they will not inform you. Sebra. Because omuso omanya intel development BSc on person omutu anamo bi. Surely on that wise no they will not enye omo be pampaw because can over down so it me no nia me can ya baby abi me bisa and I'll ask Yoko. Say at what point, and I would want to hear miracles if only he will be honest when he's out, and I'm sure by close of day he'll be out. Say, did he request send a lawyer? Emra, na the lawyer bear. Yoko it deny nana. That's what I want to hear. That would be unconstitutional by virtue of Article 14. Akwatia 14:2 no say okanye I mean someone here trotro was social media na say me anope me catch Kofi say look stricto sensu hwe constitution na eka lawyer enka party for Yoko ni any obligation to explain to Kodua except Kodua is also a lawyer except so no say ono na ye lawyer ejinam and okọ any refuse so it's not about that statement no but ni lawyer ne hwan na ye hu ya te say ye attach I'm not sure at morning crampo ni ready Kofini say I attach ane back you the same madam fu ni mako ena ejinam but if akwa kopie so omo na ejinam they should let us know at what point did they become lawyers for Yebra or the same miracles say at what point and were they actually denied because any abe lawyer so it is not Yebra Kodua na bekase ya man kwan because nyon no lawyer and the law does not create room for party for say so inform me party for na party for bands and we move it in the lawyers na pese metie na say Dennis feel say anase so timi bobe kire yen say yes e bro mo ka say yen inspection no because no I need to speak to my lawyers na my lawyers by around and sana and na Yoko ebu so ka say no we still have to take you without your lawyers that will be unconstitutional and if say basa we all call Yoko out. But if say or no Dennis no and requested a specific lawyer say because or say a lawyer of your choice and your party for na debema it you know the better say me lawyer ne ABCD enti me pese me friend no ansana me move ansana me obibi amaka then that will be it in fact assembly bebe ni ne ho no na gray area because it is guaranteed in the law say yetimiche of kaso obeya aban adwuma de a your office these entities they have power of arrest. Oh my, I just say you just have power in fear them. And when they arrest you, as I said, you will be in consonance with the tenets and dictates of the constitution. That's essentially it. It is a no sa kwan so dia and you be to be me say I didn't say and I didn't say yes answer accountability be any look nipa e wa ban mu obi e ye na dwuma say that bia se ni aban mu bio na say MPP ba no mu susu say asem ba ko mienu bi ho a so obi ba be yi ano why not na so ma ye bi da why not but ni obeye bia no esese ne mra no constitution no sese ya miracles say na do 24 hours we see release miracles now constitution nso say 48 hours fane court enye saja e mani bill omai ne do 48 hours no so emra be na Yokofo abridge ya ne e ka say release miracle now me nka say wa e boni o but say nyuma ko we no ehwehwemu na omo ye e wo say mo makwanya nso na omo ye san hwehwemu no me de me giran ka so ye guilty and onye guilty because Yoko ka bibi say abrantie ba ko a onni ni mienu because of course o man ye wa hai who ye host uni producer na ye adwuma mpempi you are expected to work together. Yoko is saying so mienu na omo ye nhwemu form ho ba ko ate asesa ampa sika no me fai me de beba Yoko na e kan nyame na America and aka miracles ye e bi o se onye boni bia but no so nkyere say Yoko ni kwan so ombe ye nhwemu enti o makwa akofa no omse omo yes ombe kwa akohwe ombe koso aye inspection bibi ni baby ko omse omo di kan aye bi ombe sanso aye bi but ni within 48 hours you either release him on bail or you take him to court na court say be remanded and all that has been assured by Yoko omse bibi bia omo ye bia no omo ye in accordance with the constitution and then the basic fundamental laws and uti omai me hu asem wey baby efi because say miracles nankasa epie na ono na omo che no and na omo kire say anajo no na ya anajo enti am say immigration phone keeping na anopa no ne bre Yoko ni nia no ya che no say miracles no be ka say me ya che me no yan come boni amaye. That is against the constitution. See yan mame that right me kasam yan friend lawyer asumesi and now my mami Akwenya. Then we are talking. At the moment we are all speculating. Because anop ewie ni atense yewra or the saying attaching anom alcohol. Omko ye omanya access ana. Yes. But see before no omanya access. Were they the same lawyers or a different lawyer? And don't me a mesre because near me say you could be so mako. You were not lawyers. You were lawyers as in lawyers in Ghana, but you were not because you don't say you attach any lawyer. And the law does not create that room for political party. I mean, if was almost so many jinembi. It me mesre. Kasano senya ye kanoni adian 8 days yet. It be quite miracles in ye bonibia. Yenya botre. Enya boni bia nso na sebe because e dru say ya e bi mpa na bia no kra na dwen ko bibi so trum komonum no na dwen beba so na information nso wo no o de ama yokufo e bia na accountant no o ye niam wo nachi ene mai ko basa set sa accountant no will suffer for it ono you know e be ka say na minimum hwe mpajo watimase but ene de yokufo so mguso ye nhwemu na o ma kire mu nso say ebrepam no say we have charges and yet charges yet. Say investigations your conspiracy to steal and stealing, using public funds for profit, using public funds using public office for profit, causing financial loss to the state, dissipation of public funds, defrauding by false pretense, money laundering. If you more no say omontiatia ye nuano fa hodie so na emom nso nsam bia so mbisa no ne eso omde ne fam ye lawful na watimi ayi ne ho ano no obefam ebrepam no se yokofo sas omonhwehwem no chese so yi nsam ano e court na be determine into your court he will have his day in court, then we move on. It may mesre in the absence of because miracles na ye che no ono pe na no ho at the time ye nyentie mfi ni ho ye wa bonten say ya ma ne kwan amfa ne lawyer no miracles na so na be prescribe mo so mo se munya hu no mo ani kura hu nti why na ka kire mo say ya ma ne sa akwanya. Are you getting the point I'm making? Because miracles on never can miracles no so mo se mo ani kura hu no mo ani hu no why na ka kire mo say ya ma na akwanya why na ka kire say ya nka nkire no ne bone awaye nti mesre accountability dey so be able but all within the law yemfa extra constitutional or extra legal bia ways bia emfa dele with obia eye ne akoso Ghana na me mesre say yoku say if it turns out say abrantia no yese esesa ne lawyer eba and na momu deny ne dia then you are acting unlawfully. I'll say it. And that set asadia then esesa omohwe niye. But for now dear me nyan hu bibi bia kire say bibi sa akoso because I hear say obi e kan de and let say but that is exactly what yoku ababe chirim sampa omsaka and you see finally you see this whole thing o my me no ya adwen say ensem no ba say na yoku esomba be kapa hunim say mrebia no ha hye yoku say esomba kire ye chi di party chi bia enyeman bi ho nso a ma yenye ememe to say there is nothing e hye yoku say some this statement ba be kire ni enti o ma chi obi emrebia ni ho but good governance say miracles nyo bia keke sebe o MPP penny it is ya chena ese be kire Ghana fo mu but no e because emrebia nhye yoko say so be kire ni enti a wachi obi ade kire bia chi nipa but say wo kire mu wan kire mu menya ne hia me act within the law enye bibia outside the law because on a fundamental human right at the end of the day or you presumed innocent until say unhwehwemu no ne ne court be can be proven guilty. Intimidate me worker e found. I wish him well and I pray say bibia nto no ne wom bia e wom no MP na yen koye ni